Lights, camera, action.
LIFT Dance Company, first and foremost, is an opportunity for young people to dance, to learn, and to explore something more than what they already know about themselves as performers. Founding the company in 2005 meant looking for an opportunity for something new, but something that was reflective of what the dance industry craved young people to have. And in the last 18 years, the many choreographers, the many teams of LIFT Dance Company contributors have created an environment where young people can excel, can learn, can perform, but more importantly, can contribute back into an industry that is serving them today and in their futures.
So LIFT for me is a time where us choreographers come together and we can really showcase ourselves as independent dance artists, I would like to say, working with the dancers and the cohort we have. So it's a time where we can really be industry reflective in our own practice and something that we're passionate about or want to explore further in our own practice at that time. And it's really important as well that our students have that experience outside of the college environment on the extracurricular timetable to see work that is, that we can hold our heads up high and say is industry reflective.
The LIFT Dance Company rehearsal process always starts, other than from ideas from the choreographers, always starts with an audition. The audition is an open audition for any students at the college who wish to do extracurricular dance as part of their course programme.
As the audition process happens, we choose our dancers and we've got an idea, and then we've got dancers, and then seeing that develop together and seeing them at the end of the process. And the journey they go on, and the journey we go on together as choreographer and a company is just absolutely fantastic. The development is insane, and seeing them on the stage today, having done a dress rehearsal, is mind-blowing, and it's almost really emotional because it just comes to life, and you never expect that at the beginning. You're like, oh, how's it going to be? Is my idea going to come to life? You know, but it really does, and that's the best thing, is seeing them thriving on stage.